video. If you have ever wondered how WAEC sets economics questions and how you can prepare smartly, then this video is for you. Stay tuned till the end because I will be sharing powerful tips and tricks to help you. The first thing you must know is that WAEC doesn't just test memory. They want to see if you understand the concepts, if you can apply them to real life issues, and also think critically. WAEC economics questions are usually in two parts: the multiple choice section and the theory section. Each section requires a unique approach. For multiple choice question, the trick is to read each question carefully. WAEC loves to test details, so eliminate obvious wrong answers to improve your chances. For theory questions, you must learn how to define terms properly, explain in detail, use diagrams when needed, and show the examiner you understand applications, not just textbooks definitions. WAEC often repeat questions from areas like demand and supply, market structure, money and banking, national income, and international trade. Examiners mark based on key points. If you give a clear definition, draw a neat label diagram, and explain step by step, you will score higher. To prepare well, study past WAEC questions, follow the syllabus closely, and practice under exam conditions. This helps you manage time effectively. Finally, be confident on exam day. Don't leave any questions blank, and always revise key concepts before the exams. Success is yours. Thank you.